the CupertinoSegmentedControl. You can see that we have three different buttons, and when we click on it, we have on the screen the text of the button. And this is what we call a CupertinoSegmentedControl. The first thing we need is a nullable string called current text. And in the column, we will create a children. The first one will be a sized box height 50. The second one will be the CupertinoSegmentedControl. For this, we need the children, which will be three different texts. The first one is the Flutter, which is a container. The second one is Map, and the third one is YouTube. I will show you how to build this a little bit later. The unchanged value will return a string. With this one, we will set state and say that the current text is equal to the value. Under, we will create a sized box height 50, and if the current text is not equal null, then we will create a text widget with the current text. Otherwise, we will return an empty container. And this part is the text that you can see on the screen, YouTube. Now let's work on the containers of the CupertinoSegmentedControl. For the first one, the container color will be if the current text is equal to Flutter, which is this text, then we will return the color orange accent 100, otherwise it will be white. The width will be double.infinity, the padding will be edgeAndSets.all 8th, and the child will be a simple text Flutter. So you can see that when I press on Flutter, the color will be orange accent 100. Now we will do the same thing for Map and YouTube. So for Map, we will say the color is equal to orange or white, depending on the current text. The width will be double infinity, padding 8, and text Map. For YouTube, it's the same thing, the color, the width, the padding, and the child. And with this, you have created a CupertinoSegmentedControl with Flutter.